Hey guys, welcome to the channel. 2025 Tampa Super RV Show, and I think I found you the cheapest Class B van can possibly find here at the show. So let's start the tour.
All right, hey everybody, my name is Dakota Simon. I'm the Southeast Regional Sales Rep for THOR Motor Coach on the B van product. We wanted to introduce to you a totally new segment to our B van lineup that we offer at THOR Motor Coach. This is the Freedom Elite 17D. The reason why we wanted to introduce this is to hit the price point. You're going to see it right here. It's retailing at $79.9 here at the Tampa Super Show. A really great opportunity for somebody who may have the want or the need to do a DIY style van, but we've already done that for you. There are a lot of things that you can add to this piece to make it more into a motorhome or less of a motorhome and more of a DIY van as you please. So we're really giving you the open canvas here in the motorhome space, in the B-van space, in terms of an entry-level piece. So again, this is the Freedom Elite 17D. It's on the Dodge ProMaster 1500 series chassis. It's 18 feet and some change, bumper to bumper. Okay, so this is the smallest B-van that we produce, along with a couple of other variants on this same chassis here. So the reason why we're able to hit this $79.9 price point again is because we're giving you an open canvas here, okay? So I'm gonna open the front doors so you can kind of get a view of what we do here. Regular Dodge ProMaster front end here. Both of those seats swivel, which is really nice, so it gives you the convenience. You can make a little bit of a living space in here as well. This B van is a little bit different than anything else that we produce. You do have your 12-volt fridge here. One of the new things that we've introduced in this B van, standard 12-volt fridge here. This is your ceramic heater. This is a 1,000-watt heater right here, okay? You have a 3,000-watt inverter that helps you invert the power to heat the coach. So we're not doing a traditional, like a Truma combi system that you would normally see on a B van from any manufacturer. This ceramic heater will be plenty enough to keep you warm in here as well. Traditional on-off switches, okay? So instead of a multiplex system, we're just giving you basic and easy to use tank heater, water pump switches here up front. You've got a nice countertop right here with a sink. There is a portable induction cooktop that comes with this coach as well. So we give you the countertop space, and then you're able to just utilize a portable induction when you want to, okay? In this living space, you have two seats right here. These also come into a bed. So you've got a little lagoon table that you can use right here. There are two slats that essentially come across and fit into these brackets that helps you put these cushions together to create a bed. So you can sleep somebody down here along with two people, preferably east to west, up here in the bed, which is really nice as well. We're using a fabric style interior wall that's stain resistant, which is really nice. Makes you kind of feel at home in here, right? And again, like I said, this is an open canvas, so we give you tracks for storage. We do provide a couple of storage bays for you. You can add and subtract these as you'd like. You can put two over here, whichever way you'd like to configure it, which makes it really easy to use and just really convenient for how you want to use the coach. A couple of other things on the interior. You do have the max air vent up here right above us. Fire alarm right here as well. You'll notice in the back that there's another vent, but there's no AC on this coach. We give you the choice to add or subtract an AC, a permanent AC, as you'd wish. There's also no generator on board. You do have battery options that you can put in with this. Again, there is a 3,000-watt inverter already in place. So we're giving you that 3,000-watt inverter to basically add or subtract anything that you'd like. Just on along the same lines of what we do with the storage, you do have two vents in here as well. There is no propane on board, so again, this 1,000-watt heater can do that for you in the coach, but you can turn the heat on as you'd wish, heat your water as you wish, but again, there's no wet bath in here as well. So really a basic, simple, and easy to use B-van at an incredibly good price point for a customer who was maybe thinking about buying a bare chassis and just building something themselves. We've done that for you here, right? And we've given you that head start to save you time and in the long run probably save you money.
Is there any solar panels or?
Good question. There is solar prep. So a standard motorhome from us in the B-Van space would come with a 200-watt solar panel. This one does not. You can buy one after the fact, just the same as you can do with an air conditioner.
Okay. Yeah. And for the battery options, you mentioned you have battery options. So what are those?
Yeah. So
or what does it come with?
Yeah, with your 3,000-watt inverter, you can add lithium batteries if you'd like. There are standard AGM batteries on board to run little things like these lights that go up and down the coach, or the little lights up under here as well. So again, we're kind of giving you those options. You can bring along a portable generator that you can plug into the 30 amp service outside as well. Yeah, 100%. A little Honda, whatever you may want to power the coach. So we're giving you that option as well. You can do any of those as you wish.
Because I already see that you have the charge controller.
Right. Here's the charge controller. This is for the that's reading through that 3,000 watt inverter from Go Power. So we give you that up here as well, and any other entities that you need to add. You can put the control panels up here if you want to wire them in. Again, totally open canvas.
So no toilet, no shower.
There is a toilet on board. Yes.
Oh, there is.
Yep, there is. So we give you a little bit of a portable toilet up underneath here. It's under this space right here. So there's levers for you, and then there is just a portable toilet right here as well. Yep. So we give you that option. So you can plug in a 12-volt induction cooktop here. That should come with the coach. But we give you this open space because not everybody wants to cook inside. Freedom Elite 17D, ready to go. The 25 model year, 24 model year chassis from Dodge. It's the most cost-effective B-Van on the market, and it's a great way. Like I said, if you're thinking about getting into this, this is the way to do it.
So just like Dakota explained, this heater, the ceramic heater, is 1,000 watt that you can actually remove and use it anywhere you want. It is sitting there on a sliding table like so, and this way you can bring it out and turn it to the front, to the back, and use it with the 3,000 watts inverter. So this takes 1,000 watts and it tucks away just like so. And I wanted to show you the 12 volt refrigerator with a freezer. Here you have the drawer that hosts your induction cooktop, the sink, faucet, open cabinets above for storage, just like Dakota mentioned earlier. Those are your nice, huge, soft cabinets for your belongings, and there's two of them. Nice insulated windows here, and the covers, really nice, comfortable, full-size bed. I can tell that it's full size, and very nice, sturdy, like firm, I should say, mattress. You have these LED lights going all through the ceiling. This nice shiplap ceiling, MaxxAir fan up here, the inverter controller here. Really nice. You got hooks. You have this dinette area with the lagoon table, so you can have two people sit here, and the lagoon table just comes around, and you can dine and connect this to use the cushions and have space for another person to sleep. A little cubby over there, you can put your shoes or maybe space for your cat, and its litter box. Open garage for your storage, everything that you might be bringing. I see hinges here, so I'm assuming there is some sort of an opening that would have access to the larger items in case you need to bring them. So that is a possibility to do. Here underneath the sink we have storage with adjustable shelves. Tank heater on, water heater on, water pump on. More windows here. Opening what we call storage space, the pizza oven storage space right above the cab. Beautiful Ram ProMaster chassis with all its bells and whistles. What else? I mean, outside, we have a little table here so that if you're sitting outside or you're sitting here or if you're hanging out, you can utilize this to put your belongings on, maybe your beer, your Coke, and the Freedom Elite by THOR. And here is the garage space. Let's see what is hiding behind this. This is your water tank and your water pump. And on the opposite side, I have another compartment here, and that's your Xantrax 3000 watt inverter. And yes, you see the struts there is on both sides. So I assume that this lifts up like so if you want to bring and need space for bigger items. So this could be even like your everyday vehicle, and you can move with this, bring boxes, you can deliver courier services. And here is the latch, so that like when you're not needing the space, so that it actually secures it and keeps it safe. There's two of those. And there's a shower here as well, an exterior shower, and less than 80K, rear view camera. This is really, really cool. It's got the hitch, your city fill port, your 30 amp power, coaxial outlet. What else? If you're a beginner and if you want to start, perfect B-van to start your adventures with. THOR Freedom Elite 17D, $80,000 here at the Tampa RV Super Show 2025. Dakota, thank you so much for this quick tour.
Absolutely.
It's great. As you said, this is a beginner's van.
Yeah.
Weekend warrior,
Yeah.
solo traveler, all the above. Grab one, hit the road,
Yeah.
enjoy the adventures.
You don't have to have a plan when you leave home in this. That's the best thing about it. So you can hit the road and have your own fun.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
All right, guys, you know what to do. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment, subscribe to the channel, help me grow this channel so I can bring you more content. And until the next time, see you on the road.